Huge drop on the market. Well, on the Qs. Really just waiting for something to set up here. I'm waiting for this spread, the option spread, to kind of tighten up as well to really get something going. Looking to get in some puts here soon. Possibly at the break of pre-market lows.
Order filled.
Got in a couple contracts right there. Now I'm just waiting for it to kind of break this level. And if we break this level, we can see some lower lows.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Saw a little bit of size on the bid. It's not really going as fast as I'd like it to. So I got out there. Pretty oversold right now. Got out of that position for a small loss, $14 loss. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not really that strong of a short side trader, so probably just gonna take it easy today and see how everything goes. I'm not gonna be too aggressive because I am expecting Tesla to kind of go down a little bit here, since it is so overextended on the daily. Yeah. But we'll see what we can get going here. If anything, I'm looking to get in calls at the break of today's high of 772.55. So right here. And then we can get above the 9 EMA, then hopefully get back above the 100. Really kind of just waiting for this stock to really open up some more and create some more range. Not much going on. Pretty slow right now. Which ain't always a bad thing. SPY going back up.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
I'm looking to ride this up to the 100 and hopefully a break of it.
Order filled.
Got out right there for a nice little gain of $400.
Order partially filled.
Got back in right
Order
there.
filled.
Anticipating the break. Alright. Don't really see any size on that.
Order partially filled.
Got a right
Order
there.
filled.
I'm up 600 on the day so far. Really, I'm getting ready to call it a day here soon. The next level I'm looking to play is the break of pre-market high. That's really the next key level. I might not re-enter again at the break of the 100 because I kind of want to see it get above the 100 and stay above the 100 before we make this push up to here. So I'm up 7.74% on my 5K challenge account right now. Today at least. Started with this account on 5K on Monday, and today's Wednesday, the 14th actually, and I'm currently at $8,157. So nice little gains there. But yet again, like I always tell people, I don't recommend trading how I trade. I trade very aggressively and with pretty much all of my, well, I wouldn't say all of it, just really depends on the days. I kind of pick up my size as the week goes on. I usually trade with about half of my account or 60% of my account on Mondays, and then I kind of grow it up until I get around to like 80 to 95% of my account, just because I like taking advantage of those small price moves, and I like scalping. That's my style, and that's what's always worked for me, so that's what I like to do. All right, I'm looking for a pullback right here, and then we'll get in on the break of this candle's high, which is 77.85. Who knows? 70. What is it? 78.5. That's what it is. Oh. Is that right? Yeah, 778.5. That's what I'm looking to get in at. Okay, let's put it right there for now. Nice little pullback. Hopefully we can bounce off the 100 and make our way up higher. Pretty light tape so far. Seems like we're holding this 100 EMA as support, so that's good. That's exactly what I wanted. Plan to get in the break at this level and ride it up to 80 at least. But so far, up a decent amount today on this account with only 4 trades so far. And my only loss being $14 on that put. And the only reason I lost money on that is because the spread was so wide still, because the market, well, the options hadn't tightened up at least. So, I mean, I'm not really tripping about that. I really would have profited off it if it wasn't for it being so early in the morning. But, I mean, it's whatever. Still doing really good right now.
Order filled.
Got it right there. Those calls. I'm looking to ride this up to 80. A little bit of weakness. I need this to go a little bit faster. Not much size. There it is. There it is. There it is.
Order partially filled.
Got out right there.
Order filled.
Sold a little early before I actually wanted to, but it wasn't really going as fast as I'd like it to. So currently up $651 on the day. And like I said, my next level is this, so I'm gonna pause the video here and come back until we can reach this level, because I'm not gonna take any trades until we get to that level. So I'll see you guys then. Alright, so it's not really going how I thought it was gonna go. So really I might play the break of this level in these two levels, because all 3 of these levels are really key levels for me intraday. So if it does flush out to these levels, I'll play these levels, the break of these levels. But if we don't get down to here and end up coming back up, I'll play the break this level. But if it doesn't really get there before, I'd say probably 9:30, I'm just gonna call it a day with what I got. So really about 36 more minutes I'm gonna give it, then I'm just gonna call it a day, because I mean I'm already up 8.6% on the day. So I mean I'm already in the driver's seat, so I don't really want to give anything back trying to force something. So I guess we'll see what happens here. All right, so I wanted to get in at the break of this bear flag, but I was just too slow. I was trying to get my orders set up and I just wasn't fast enough. And when I was ready, I got in while I was about right here, and I just didn't want to chase. So I mean, it's whatever. Can't catch all of them, but I mean, it's whatever. And definitely don't want to get in right now with it being so down. The high of this is 772. It's almost down. This is almost a $10 candle. Look at that, bro. The market just going down.
Order filled. Order partially filled. Order filled.
Kind of got a little risky. I know it was overextended. I shouldn't have got in. I got pulled back on. I'm not really tripping about it. I'll make it back at the break at that level. It's not oversold yet, so that's still good. So it still has room to flush out at these levels. Kind of broke one of my rules there, trying to chase, but I mean, it's not really tripping. It's really whatever. There were plenty of opportunities today. Huge wick back.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna ride this upward momentum right here, see what it can get me. Try and profit off of all the dip buyers.
Order partially filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I have calls still. It's not really going as fast as I'd like to see. Really wish it would pick up here. Don't really see any size on level 2.
Order filled.
Got out of that. It's not going as fast as I'd like it to go. I'll probably end up getting back in it here soon.
Order filled.
What's up with the spreads, bro?
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Alright. Now I'm about to play the break of this level. The break of this candle and that.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Alright, got back in some puts right here. Really looking for a flush out to these levels. That's what I'm looking for. Going pretty slow. Alright, starting to pick up. Alright. Let's see what it can get me.
Order partially filled.
Alright, got it right there.
Order
Saw
filled.
a little bit of size on the buy.
Order filled.
Alright, let's get a flush out of these levels. There we go.
Order partially filled.
I got it right there.
Order filled.
I'll get back in at the break of those levels. I'm looking for a break of 72.54. I lost a bit of size chasing, so I'm only up 5.67% on the day, unfortunately. I mean, it's just one of those things. That's why I should always stick to my rules, because really, if I wouldn't have chased, I'd be up over at least $1,200 already. But no, I'm down $300 from what I was actually at. Well, from what I could have been at. Well, actually, I'm actually down more than 300 from where I could have been at. Not quite oversold yet. What is 51 is the low of this, so I'm looking at a break below this level. If we break below yesterday's close, that's what it is. That blue line is yesterday's close. If we break below that, we definitely can see some more downward momentum for sure. A lot of buying coming in. Got a little bit of size on the ask right here. I might play the break of that candle. Break of the high of this candle, which is 769. At least I think it is. Yeah. 69.29.
Order filled.
Got in right there. Got in too late. Well, I got in pretty late. Don't really see any size, so we should keep going up here. See some size on the bid, which is good for me. Looking for a break of the 9 EMA. All right, might see a move here. A little bit of size on the ask, but as expected, it's getting eaten away. Plan to have my exit at the break of that bull flag, the bear flag level right there, if not just below it. Going pretty slow.
Order filled.
Got out right there. It's going pretty slow for me. Looking to get back in here soon. A lot of selling going on.
Order partially filled.
Got in some puts right here.
Order filled.
And write it back down to that level that I was looking at earlier and the break of it.
Order partially filled.
Got it right there.
Order filled.
Looking to get back in at the break of the previous candle.
Order filled.
Got back in right there. Looking for a flush out below yesterday's close.
Order partially filled.
Saw some weakness. Got out.
Order
right
filled.
there. Looking to get back in at the break of today's low.
Order partially filled.
Got in right there.
Order filled.
Seen a little flush out. Big move.
Order partially filled.
Got it right there.
Order filled.
And I think I'm gonna call it a day. Pretty big comeback for me. I just wish I wouldn't have lost so much on that call when I got pulled back on. Currently up 15.26% on the day. Up $1,155 today. I'm happy with that, so I'm gonna call it a day. Here are my trades if you would like to see them. I'm gonna put those on the screen if I can figure out how to do it. Let's detach this. Okay, that's not working. Anyway, here are my trades from today. Give me 1 second and I'll have them up on the screen. Big move today off of Tesla, and I'm actually pretty satisfied with that. Usually I have the tendency to overtrade, and it's not going well for me. So once I'm happy with my profits, I just get out now. So I'm definitely gonna call it a day for today. Here are my trades. For today, let's see here. Right here. Here are all my trades for today if you would like to see them. And then here is my portfolio. Pretty good. Nice little gains. Could have avoided that if I wouldn't have chased, but I mean, it's whatever. You live and you learn. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call that a wrap for today's video. I appreciate you guys for listening. For those of you who are listening and watching my video, and yeah, I'll have more videos like these in the near future. Later, guys.